Before we get into today's video, I want to proudly announce that I have officially partnered up with Shine Armor, man. Shine Armor is the #1 producer in car detailing products. They have products for the exterior of your car, such as soaps and ceramic sprays to make sure the outside of your car stay looking clean and fresh. And they also have products for the interior of your car, such as this all-purpose interior cleaner, man. We gonna be doing a review on this stuff today, and I'll be giving y'all my honest opinion. Make sure y'all have your interior spray, man, and you want 2 microfiber towels so I can walk y'all through how to use this spray and how to keep the inside of your car shining and smelling good, man. Come on, let's get into it. So with this product, man, the good part about it, you can use this in 4 easy steps, man. Make sure you have your 2 microfiber towels right here. What we gonna do, we gonna get them out the package. The first step, man, we gonna leave it folded. We gonna take this spray. Let me open it up some. We gonna take it and we gonna spray it directly onto our towel. Now keep in mind that this product works best on plastic, vinyl, and leather, man. We gonna take it and we gonna rub it directly on our surface. And as y'all can see, it's adding that shine. A great shine too, man. Hold on, let me spray a little bit more on my towel just to assure that I'm getting it all over. Make sure you spray it onto the towel first and you apply it to the surface. Rub it gently. Make sure it's getting in there real good. As y'all can see, man, that shine is really nice. I like it. Okay, so after you rub it in there, come behind it with your second microfiber towel to smooth it out. Leave this one folded. Come behind it, smooth it out. Make sure everything is the way it needs to be. And I can see a difference in my interior on my door already, man. And just in those few simple, easy steps, man, you can take your car interior from looking and smelling good to great. I rate this all-purpose interior cleaner, man, a 10. I can notice when I was using it, I can see the shine, I can smell the fresh scent, so I can guarantee you that you are gonna get the results that you are looking for from this product, man. And I can guarantee you that it can also restore your interior if need be. Now let's get into the video.
Hey man, say man, it's your boy Big Dreams. Welcome back to the channel. Before we carry on any further with this video, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment. Most importantly, make sure y'all subscribe and hit that post notification bell, set it to all. Y'all already know what the deal is, man. We is back with a doggone banger, man. Yes, sir, we is back with another banger video. And hold on, let me flip that camera around real quick, man. Dang, I was supposed to been had this video up, man. Your boy been sick for a few days. I know y'all can tell how raspy my voice sound, man. My voice sounds raspy and rough. So yes, your boy has been sick for a few days, man. I also kind of been down a little bit mentally, but I'm good now, man. I'ma tell y'all something. Once you start to see life for what it is, and you just take the morals that you live by, and you really live by them, man, and you keep God first, man, stuff would be a whole lot better. And that's just what I've been having to do, man, for real. But we is in a 2021 Dodge Charger RT. I've driven the RT before, but I haven't got the chance to get down on one. So I'm in this one today. I'm finna get down on this one today, man. So with all that being said, this is enough talking. This video is long overdue, so I'm finna doggone get the GoPro rolling, and we finna get on the road, and we finna be moving, man. So get your snacks, get your popcorn, and get everything you need, man, and sit right here in front of this TV and watch the whole video, because this is about to be another good POV. But I think this one here gonna be better, because I'm finna be moving, man. I'm finna be moving, bro. Y'all already know, man, we's in the doggone RT, the Hemi mug, this hot orange or burnt orange or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we in this RT thing today, man. Big 5.7. What I like about these, man, is that you can mod these. You can't really mod the scat packs. I mean, you can if you build the engine in the scat pack the right way, but you can really mod these and keep this same 5.7, bro. Pro Charger, I'm talking about anything you want to do. That go the scat pack over there. Let me zoom in on her. That she go over there, man. But yes, sir, we about to get right in this doggone RT, man. Oh yeah, gang, we finna get active this morning, man, for real. We got an open road. It's still early morning, but we finna get right, dog. And that's a fact. Like, we finna go on ahead and get right for real, man. That 5.7 sound good. About to see how nasty we can get in traffic though. It ain't even no traffic, so it should be smooth, man. If these folks in front of me will get out the way, it'll be a whole lot better. Oh my goodness, see, look, here y'all go, messing up my flow this morning. Come on, truck. They hitting on brakes like that. It is so cold out this joint this morning, y'all. I can't even stress how cold it is, man. I like this 5.7. I like this 5.7. handle a maneuver or something. See, this is what I be hating, man. Come on now, y'all messing up the POV. And whoever this is just taking their precious time too. I be hating when folks do that mess, dog. Make y'all speed up, come on. This got potential, y'all. This got real potential, man. If you build this 5.7 the right way, this thing here got so much potential. I likes this. Oh yeah. It moved pretty sweet stock now, so imagine when you feel this 5.7, man. Oh my goodness. This thing here got too much potential, man. I see it now. By the time, man, felt like I was sitting at that light for at least 10 minutes. I be hating about this, y'all, is these cars be so close up on each other, man. You can't even maneuver through them. Like, that junk be stupid. Like, shouldn't no cars or trucks be riding side by side, dog? That junk is ignorant. Man, if this truck don't hurry up and get out the way, I'ma need whoever this is in this Subaru, this old Subaru, to move. Yeah, please get out the way. Cause y'all just messing up everything. say ain't no reason why you need to be hitting on brakes and it ain't nothing in front of you. I ain't gonna front, y'all. Down here where I live at, some people be confusing me when they be driving, dog. Like, for real. That joint's so ignorant, man. Like, but y'all, I'm liking this doggone 5.7, man. Like I said, it has potential. It's got potential, man. If you build it the right way, or if you want to leave it stock, it's got potential both ways, man. It's good both ways. Got potential, stock or modified, it don't matter. I'm finna hit that manual mode real quick and see how it hit. I like that manual mode. It hit hard. You can tell the difference between this and the Scat just because of like the engine size, power difference. But I still like this though, man. I still like this. I'm not taking nothing away from it. I like this, man. But hey, man, this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment. Most importantly, make sure y'all subscribe and hit that post notification bell, set it to all. All of my social medias are gonna pop up on the screen and the links are gonna be in the description as well. So make sure y'all follow my main Instagram and my backup Instagram. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok and make sure y'all follow me on Twitter, man. And like I said, gang, I apologize. This video here was supposed to have been made. It was supposed to have been uploaded and everything, man, but your boy been sick. I've been kind of mentally down for a few days, but hey, I'm back and I'm better, man. I may give out, but I never give in. You know what I'm saying? We got to get the grind. And hey, I appreciate y'all, man. This is the end of the video.